BioScore is an app in Autodesk Forma site design that helps teams evaluate early building performance with one overall score and separate scores for daylight, views, acoustic comfort, and material choices. First, open BioScore and click the building you want to analyze. The selected building is highlighted in the model and shown in the BioScore panel. Next, go to the Config tab. Turn on the categories you want to include in the final score, such as daylight, views, acoustic comfort, and material choices. For daylight, choose the window type and add the window to wall ratio. For acoustic comfort, select the building use, such as residential, office, healthcare, or education. For material choices, add the intended use, sustainability level, material character, and daylight or views assumption. When the setup is ready, click Run Analysis. BioScore calculates the overall score and the score for each selected category. After the analysis is complete, open the Result tab. Here, you can see the overall BioScore, building name, number of floors, number of units, and the category scores. Click a category to expand it and review more details, such as sun hours, view breakdown, noise levels, or material performance. BioScore also shows the selected category visually on the model, making it easier to understand the result in context. To share the results, click Screenshot and use it in design reviews, reports, presentations, or scenario comparisons.